My first movie debut was 2014, it's 10 years ago. And the director was actually a Filipino guy. So, yeah, I don't know what's destiny like this. So my first movie debut was Filipinos, and my first foreign friend also Filipino. So it's like, here is kind of a familiar country to me. And you know, in these days, this industry, showbiz industry in the Philippines, they're growing up. And if I have a chance, I also want to be part of them. And also I want to learn a lot of languages and cultures. And I want to explore to the other country. So that's why I'm here. And especially this movie, when I read the script, it was really touched my heart. I mean, yeah, even it's smaller, I want to be part of this movie. And yeah, I want to try this movie. And I want to show as a Korean, maybe in a good way. Yeah, I want to try to that. I love here. Even the hot weather, I'm always wet. But I love it. I love it the summer, and I really like this ambience. You know, I like the green things, the tree, puno, and something. Yes, bright. I mean, everyone is always smile and bright, and they are very fun. And so when I see them, I also feel like very chill. And especially Drake, when on the set, he always laughing. Like that. Because you know, he make the set vibe is chill and relaxed. And he is like make a show with everyone. So it was really fun. And he has always specific image on the movie. So it's easy to.
Thank you very much.
Yes, who would it be and why?
Gusto ko yung crush namin.
Ay?
Yes. Yun ako na hilig ko siya kay drama. Pero fake drama, di ba? Pero tinigilan ko na rin po after. Kasi in 3 days, hindi na ako natulog. May anak ko, halos ko natulog daw siya. Natulog ka na ingay. Sabi ko, may pinapasulahan siya. Wala lang siya. May anak ko, madaling araw na kasi di ba binabasa mo lang naman yung
Subtitle.
Oo, gabi-gabi na. Kaya sabi ko, hindi pa rin nanood ng drama, talagang maaaring ko talaga. So ako ginawa ko, kaya ano ko lang talagang ako, ng K-pop. So, BTS. Sigaw lahat. Ang progression ko, hindi ganda. So, that's my inspiration.
Thank you, Pichi.
Kilala kita eh, the way i-flex mo yung kasiyahan mo with Alexa. For sure, may nag-experience ka sa iba na hindi ganun kaganda. May
ganun. Hindi, mabait sila lahat sa akin. Dahil hindi nila, natutuwa sila eh. Kaya sana matuwa din ako sa akin. Kaya natutuwa ako siyempre, kasi kilala nila ako. Diba? Kita mo, you know me? Oh, you know me? Yes. Si Scarlett yan.
Pero syempre, ang ganda rin kasi ng ano mo ngayon, ng exposure mo sa show na hindi ko. So, araw-araw mo siyang ipinag-promote.
Hindi naman. Kasi MWF lang. MWF.
So, every time na ka sa show,
so, yung bumabag yung walang mga atin, ako na lang ina-atin. Kasi doon ako nakatira sa tabi ng ABS. Hindi, yun na lang kaloka-like lang po ako host judge. So, awa ng Diyos, na regular lang. Pero,
masaya ako kasi yung kabutihan na pinapakita ko sa iba, yun din po yung pagdating sa akin. Kaya ako ganun. Kaya siguro, may feeling na po kasi yung pinapakita ko po, yung totoong ako naman, hindi ko naman po pinaplastic or sinasadyang gawin yun, ganun lang talaga ako. Yun din po yung pagdating sa akin.
Ang may isang April 94, dumating ka, darating din ba siya dito sa premiere niya? Supportado niya may movie.
Oo, pati lahat ng black screen pupunta siya.
Sino siya? Hindi ko naman banggit.
Alam niyo naman ko eh.
Si Katie, Katie Stanford. Nakakatuwa, no? Kahit hindi kayo...
Because what we have is not just for work.
Ay, ako baka ibang malito.
Sana all.
Baka isipin nila na kaya grabe yung support niya si San Isabel. Talagang kayo na.
Hindi naman po sa ganun, pero yung bond naman na build namin, hindi lang siya yung pang showbiz, hindi lang siya sa proximity ng show business. Kumbaga, kahit hindi na kami mag-artista po bukas, nandun pa rin yung bond na build namin.
Pero yan, ako,
After siguro mapanood yung pelikula, parang we want the people to feel na ma-remind sila sa capacity nila na magmahal, na pumalinga, na meron pala tayong innate capacity to love someone, regardless kung kalugan ng hindi.
Ganda. Everyone has that, no? The innate capacity to love. Scarlett, mag-hi ka lang. Mag-hi ka muna. Ayan. Nagkati para sagutin si Scarlett. Medyo mabigat yung tanong. Ana, ikaw na lang.
Na magbigay mo ng unconditional love. Kasi yun yung role mo dito sa Mojigay. Maaga mo nawala, tapos may iwan ko mati sa iyong bata. Ayun, ganun pala kalawak, mahaba. At yung unconditional love na pwede mo kayo ibigay sa iyong anak. Na kahit wala ka sa mundo, lahat gagawin mo para lang maiparamdam sa kanya na hindi mo siya iniwan.
Wow.
At I think yun yung ng pelikula ko. Isa sa sarap ka naman.
Ganda. Next, Ana. Kate, ikaw.
Well, it could be as simple as you choose your fan. You choose who you love. It doesn't matter if hindi mo siya kadugo or not, hindi mo siya kadugo. It's if you choose to love this person even as your own, they can be considered as family. Sa akin naman po, as simple as respect everyone's choices. Oo, kasi iba-iba talaga tayo ng pinanggagalingan at iba-iba talaga tayo ng tingin sa mga bagay-bagay. So, malaking bagay ang respeto na naiintindihan natin na iba-iba tayo kahit nasa isang community. Kasi parang ganun po yung community namin dito sa filming. Iba-iba kami na nire-represent actually. So, kailangan lang talaga ng respeto.
Thank you, Donna. Richard?
Well, most of us haven't seen the movie yet.
Ay, hindi pa.
Pero magaling siya doon, magkano dami ng doon. Best actor scene.
Wow! Richard?
Sa paggawa ng movie, I think it's very unique. We have a project not inspired. Because most of the people have a very good family from.
Wow. Alright. Miss Mando, as a producer, what do you want us to take home after watching Mujiko?
Lahat naman ng sinabi nila ay tama. Pero para sa akin, may part kasi dun sa pelikula which really touched me kasi sabi parang kahit nasaan ka man, ang pamilya ay mananatiling pamilya.
Ganda. Ang bata, no matter how innocent they are, how curious they are, they have the capability to heal broken bonds. Parang kahit anong away natin, magkapatid, magnanay, magtatay, pero pag may batang involved, it bridges the gap. So parang gusto ko yung i-highlight para bigyan natin ng priority ang mga bata. Lalo na ngayon na gusto natin i-represent ang mga mixed race. Kasi ito yung first film na would feature a mixed race na bata. Lalo na sa Philippine context, laging, uy, may lahi, maganda, guwapo yan, nakakaangat yan. So we've been challenging that idea in this film.
Sa kanya, kasi may anak din po ako 7 years old na pag ganun din kami, dati niya sa Amerika, dito kami, parang nahirapan na rin siya. So, ang masasabi ko sa mga dito, yun nga, maganda kasi number 1, unang-una naisip ng bata yung bida na Mujigay. So yun. So, pangalawa, may international na nasa Korea, di ba? So that's international, di ba? Angat na agad. Di ba? Hindi ko pag-ibig international and local togetherness. Todo na to.
After watching this movie, I hope to people supporting Mujige. Like, even not Mujige is like for like horrors, like child who has same situation like her. When I read the script, I wanted to make like Mujige's life being shine, like rainbow. That's why to make the Mujige as a name, maybe, I guess. So, people support, I want people supporting to Mujige. So,
Alright. Mga sinabi nila, ang gagandang points yun bilang takeaways ng movie. Pero siguro po kung ako, mag-take away ako. I'll take away myself like Ate Rufami. Sa character ko naman, sana makita rin ng mga tao na to be loved is to be changed. So, I know na madaming tao, after dumaan sa heartbreak, may it be loss of a loved one, if they're grieving, nakakatakot na magmahal ulit, or nakakatakot na ma-involve in caring for someone or investing feelings. Doesn't have to be romantic sa isang tao. Pero ang ganda lang kasi how love really conquers everything. It really changes you, and that's what happened to my character. Na from being someone na sobrang taas ng walls, na sobrang hyper-independent, na-change yun, na bago yun ng pagmamahal ng isang bata, ng isang community, na dun niya naramdaman na mas buo na siya. So ayun, I hope that people don't let the fear stop them from opening up and loving again.
Ganda. Maraming salamat.